Welcome to another video from Dr.Lock. How do you make a Lishi tool even better? Alright, let's do it. So you take it out of its case, you grab the little Allen key like that, and you remove your Allen key. Then you get yourself a nut and a bolt, same thread. Okay, just check that it is the same thread, you just put it in there, give it a twist. If you can feel the threads, you're good. Then you put 3 nuts on the end. 3 nuts. 3, just like that. Then you put it in a vise and you hit it. You end up with that. Okay, once you've got an end result of that, you take the nuts off. Okay, you can shorten it. All you basically need is just a little bit of a right angle so that when you need to change it in the middle of the night, you're not spending half an hour looking through the bottom of your toolbox to find this Allen key, and also you're not worried about this lost scrub screw. So basically it's on the door and, oh, I want to change it, drop it off, swing it around, and tighten it. Not too tight, make sure your thing can move. And that is how you make a Lishi tool better.